Yes, we are back again. We are going to look at if statement this time around. If statement. Let me clean up this. If statement. If statement. If you have been conversant with programming, you would have heard of if statement. Okay, if statement is a conditional statement. You use it to determine if a particular condition is true or false. If it is true, a certain code will be run. If it is false, another thing will happen. Do you understand? So that is basically what if condition does. Okay, now quickly let's go there. Let's use it to make some decisions here with a PHP code. Before we use it anyway, I want you to know that this if condition is so important. You are going to use it most times when you are coding, when you are building a project. You are likely going to use it most times. Okay, it's so important, so there's a need for you to learn it very well. Okay, before now we're going to just look at it at the basic level. Okay, let's go there. I am going to just create a number, maybe a variable number. I'll call it let's say 10. Okay, then I'll come down here. I'll say if variable number equals to, this is equals sign. Okay, you know this is not equals to, this is assignment operator. This is equal sign operator, equal operator. Okay, when you want to say that something is equals to something, they use a double operator. Okay, but when you want to assign something, assign a value to a variable, something like that, they use this assignment operator. Hope you get it. Okay, so if number equals to 10, okay, then you come down here. You come down. Normally, I put this curly bracket under if this way. Okay, open and close, then I press enter key to come to the center. So you see how I might do my own. I will put curly bracket under the if and close it under the if as well. Some developers can do it this way, like it will be like this. Okay, the curly bracket will be at the end here, then the closing will be here, then you work here. Okay, if that is good for you, if that's how you want to do it, it's okay. But for me, I've been used to this and I love it. It helped me to know to monitor the flow easily. Okay, so once I see if here, I know that the information starts here and ends here, especially when you're doing with a complicated code. Okay, as in a large block of codes. All right, so having done that, then I will just press tab to come inside, just to give a space. I don't always want to start immediately at the same tab, as in the same margin with the curly bracket. I always want to come in. Okay, come in one step inside, so that I will start within. Okay, so now I will make a condition echo, let's just say successful. Then you close the semicolon. So what we just did right now is that I are telling PHP to check if this number is equals to 10. That if it is equals to 10, let the PHP echo successful. That is, let it display the string successful in your web browser. Are you getting me? Okay, let's quickly try that. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's press enter, or let's just click here. You see, successful. Okay, it is telling you that it is 10. What if, let me just say 11, if it's equals to 11, and let's see what we get. We'll go back here, click here. This here, it's not going to echo anything, because you didn't tell PHP what to echo when it is not 11, as in when it is not 10. If it's not equals to 10, what is it going to echo? Okay, so for you to do that, if you want to tell PHP, okay, if this condition is not met, that is to say, if this condition is false, what is it going to do? Okay, you just come here and say else. That is to say, if the condition there is false, let it echo, then you open curly bracket again, let it do something. This time around it will echo not successful, not successful. Okay, now let's see. It's not successful. I mean, it is not 11. It is not equals to 10 in this condition. That is to say, this condition is not true. Let's see what we'll get right here. Not successful. You get that? Okay, now we are going to look at some of these. Let's look at these comparison operators. Comparison operators in PHP. We are going to use it in this if statement, this conditional statement. Comparison operators. Let's look at them. I'm going to actually put it in comments. Oh, sorry. This comment down here. Good. So I'm going to put it in comments. Okay, this let me put PHP here. Okay, that's better now. So I'm going to open it, put all these things in this comment box. I've said greater than sign. Let's look at it. This one is a greater than sign. Greater than. Okay. Then this less than. Okay. This greater than or equals to. Greater than or equal to. Equal to. Okay. This is less than. This is less than or equal to. Okay, then this is not equals to. Is not equals to. Okay, so that is it. Not equals to greater than whatever. So you have this sign this way. These are what we are going to look at. We've looked at equals to already. Okay, so we are going to also look at greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, greater than or not equals to. Okay, now let's start with greater than. So if I use greater than here, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying if this number, which is 10 here, is greater than this number 11, and you know that this condition is false because 11 is greater than 10, isn't it? So that if this 11 is less than 10, that is if this number is greater than 11, let it echo this. If it is not greater than, let it echo this. You get that? All right, let's try it. Let's see what we get. You see, we still get not successful. Are you getting me? You still get not successful. You know why? Because the condition is false. So this is what you're going to get. But what if we put 9 here? 9 here. 10 is greater than 9, isn't it? So that means this condition is true. It will echo this. Okay, let's go back and see. Just click here. You see, successful. I hope you're getting it. So the same thing, you can repeat the same process for. You can change to greater than to less than. Okay, repeat the process. If this number, which is 10, is less than 9, is this less than 9? No. 10 is greater than 9. That means this condition is false. Okay, let's just test and see what's up. You see, say not successful because this condition is false. You get that? Okay, that is for the less than. If you make it, if you put higher number here, it will work. It will show successful. But I believe you've gotten the idea. Okay, now let's come to greater than or equals to. Here we're going to look at greater than or equal to whatever number. Okay, now this greater than or equals to, let's look at it. Greater than or equals to 9. What it means is this, that if it is greater than 9 or equals to 9, that if this 10 is greater than 9 or equals to 9. Hope you get it. That is, it is either it is greater than 9 or equals to 9. Let this display. Else, if it is not any of these, if this condition is not met, let it display this. You get that? Okay, you save and you run it. You see that this is not greater than 9. 10 is not great. Okay, 10 is greater than 9. Okay, all right, but it is not equals to 9, but at least it is greater than 9. You get that? Now let's see what we get. See, get successful because the condition is met. It is greater than 9. You get that? Okay, let's say 10. Is this 10 greater than 10? No. Is it equals to 10? Yes. So the condition is also met here. Let's check. It's still already successful. You get that? I believe you are now getting it. So the same thing with less than or equals to. Just understand the idea. Okay, is it less than or equals to 10? It is equal to 10, even though it is not less than 10. 10 is equals to 10, isn't it? So that means the condition is still going to be successful. But let's say if we put 11 here right now, is 10 equals to 11? No. Is it less than 11? Yes. 10 is less than 11. That means it is going to work. Okay, it's going to be successful. Let's put 9 so that it will be not successful. Is 10 equals to, is 10 less than 9? No. Is 10 equals to 9? No. That means this condition is false. Let's check. You go back here and you see not successful. You get that? So that's the idea. Then here is not equals to, that when something is not equal to something, then it will be, the condition will be met. Okay, this is 10. Is 10 not equals to 9? Yes. So it will be successful. Okay, if it is equals to 9, it will not be successful. It will just show this. Okay, so if number is not equal to 9, let this show. If it is equal to 9, let this show. Then you save it, you try it, you see successful. It is not equals to 9. So that's the if statement for now, and the condition and the comparison operators. I think we have to stop here for now. Thank you so much.